Are you tired of making more mess than a toddler? Are you fed up with your food falling apart? Have you had enough of wasting tissue paper? Worried about spreading germs? You know you should be, but you no longer need to worry. Introducing the Burger Buddy. Burger Buddy lets you enjoy that juicy, succulent burger anywhere without worrying about the mess. With the Burger Buddy on your side, you could be doing this, or this, or even this, or this. Or this. Or could just be doing this. Okay, you get the idea. You could be doing pretty much anything you want without worrying about the mess. Burger Buddy even expands for extra patties and more fillings. You know, for guys like him. You no longer have to worry about spreading germs. You can go straight ahead and tuck in. In fact, you don't have to touch that messy burger at all. When you get to the last third of the burger, just simply push it out from the bottom. As easy and clean as that. Burger Buddy is reusable, which means it saves you and restaurants from using excessive paper napkins. On average, Burger Buddy saves 2 to 3 napkins per burger, saving you money. And saving the planet. You know we all gotta play our part. Other food items like bagels, donuts, English muffins, and so much more also makes a perfect companion for Burger Buddy. The patent-pending Burger Buddy is made from reusable dishwasher-safe material, so you can chuck it in with the dishes in the dishwasher or give it a rinse under the tap. The smooth inner surface makes cleaning a breeze. Even he can do it. Burger Buddy makes a perfect gift for everyone. Available in awesome bright and premium colors. And is available in twin pack or a family pack. And of course in loose units for businesses. Burger Buddy brings fun and joy to your food. Minimizing mess. Stopping germs from spreading. And saving the environment. Burger Buddy is not just a product, but the first step to a cleaner you and a cleaner environment. It's ready for mass production, so order yours now with amazing discounts and help stop the mess.